Hello, teachers, and welcome back. You're looking at my lesson plan for May 2020. Just to be clear, this lesson plan is for Eikaiwa. Eikaiwa is meant for once a week lessons. All right, let's get to it. Grades 1 to 4, goals. By the way, all my lessons are done online due to the coronavirus. So under goals, keep students engaged. Review what they know. Praise them. Lesson 1, warm-up. Ask, how are you? What's your name? What's your family name? How do you spell your name? How old are you? What grade are you in? What elementary school do you go to? Where do you live? Where are you from? How many days are in a week? What day is it today? What day was it yesterday? What day is it tomorrow? What's the date? What season is it? How is the weather? Do the same warm-ups for lessons 2 to 4. Expressions for lesson 1. I'm home. Hi. Let's play a game. Good idea. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Take a bath. This is for you. How nice. I'm thirsty. Me too. Whose turn? My turn. For lesson 2, review the expressions. For lesson 3, review the expressions, then point to an expression and get them to tell you what it is. For lesson 4, test them. Next, 3 meals for lesson 1. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ask, what does 3 meals mean? Instead of, what are the 3 meals? Ask, what is your favorite meal? For lesson 2, review meals, and then point randomly. For lesson 3, review meals. For lesson 4, test them. Identify and answer. What is your favorite meal? Next, action words. Lesson 1, pantomime, hold, want, wash, think, cut, put on, need, spill, lose, ask, get hurt, hit, win, take a picture, buy. For lessons 2 and 3, just do the same thing. Review, get them to pantomime. For lesson 4, test them. Next, sports. For lesson 1, get students to identify various sports. Volleyball, skiing, soccer, dodgeball, basketball, judo, table tennis, tennis, baseball. For lesson 2, do the same thing. Review. For lesson 3, review sports and point randomly. Ask, do you like? Can you play? What is your favorite sport? For lesson 4, test them. Since we're doing lessons online, there is no homework. Okay, now I'm going to show you the material in person. Now I'm going to show you the material. I have the days of the week. Make them large. Then I have the 12 months in a year. I also have the 4 seasons. And the weather. Next are the expressions. I'll bring these cards up. I'm home. Hi. This is for you. How nice. I'm thirsty. Me too. Wash your hands. Brush your teeth. Take a bath. Let's play a game. Good idea. Whose turn? My turn. Let me demonstrate how I would teach this, okay everyone? We are going to do expressions. To say expressions in Japanese is hyogen, eigo no hyogen. So let's do expressions, alright? This is I'm home. Let's assume they can't read. This is I'm home. I'm home. Tadaima. Alright. Hi. Hi is okaeri nasai. This is for you. This is for you. これはあなたに、君に。How nice! How nice! 素敵. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. What's I'm thirsty? 喉が渇く. Excellent. I'm thirsty. Me too. Me too. 私も. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. ゲームやりましょうか? Good idea. Good idea. いい考え. Nice idea. Whose turn? Whose turn? 次、誰の番ですか? My turn. It's my turn. 私の番。僕の番です。Oh, mommy's saying something. Take a bath. Take a bath. What's take a bath? お風呂に? Yes, お風呂に入る. Excellent. Take a bath. Oh, Daddy is saying something. Brush your teeth. What's brush your teeth? 歯磨き. Yes, 磨いて. Excellent. Okay, next is wash your hands. Wash your hands. Yes, 手を洗って. Excellent. Wash your hands. Okay, so go over these expressions for the first time. You can lay them on the floor or the table and get them to point to the expression that you call out. Or you can play karita. It's up to you. All right, the next set is 3 meals. That is 3つの食事. I'll bring these up. I have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay? This is the way I would teach this for the first time. Okay, everyone, what does 3 meals mean? Don't do this. That means they don't understand. 3 meals. 3つの食事. Okay? And just go right into it. This is breakfast. 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 That is asa gohan. Okay? Breakfast. What's this? Oh, this student said lunch. That's katakana English. Lunch. Lunch. Repeat after me. Lunch. Lunch. Hiru gohan. Okay, so 1 clap. Lunch. And what's this? Yoru gohan. Okay, that's Japanese. Dinner. Dinner. That is yoru gohan. Ban gohan. So repeat after me. Dinner. Dinner. 2 claps. Dinner. Okay? So I tend to clap to give them a hint. So by saying breakfast with 2 claps, breakfast. And lunch with 1 clap, lunch. And dinner with 2 claps, dinner. Dinner. They can absorb that. So you can lay these cards on the floor or on the table and then just call out randomly or mix these cards up and get them to point to the meal that you call out. Let's say I say dinner and they point that way. No, dinner. It's got to be this one, not this one, because I said no. Point to lunch. Oh, that's easy. Point to lunch. That's easy. Point to breakfast. Yes, this one. Point to dinner. This one. Once they get a handle of these cards, then you can ask, what is your favorite meal? They can answer it like this. My favorite meal is breakfast or lunch or dinner. All right? The next set is sports. I'll bring these up. I have skiing, volleyball, table tennis, baseball, basketball, tennis, judo, soccer, dodgeball. This is the way I would teach this, okay? What does the word sports mean? Sports, okay? Right, in katakana English, it's sports. Okay, sports. What's this sport? They'll say ski. Say skiing. Everybody repeat. Skiing. Skiing. What's this? Someone might say volleyball. That's katakana English. You want them to say volleyball. Bite over here. Volleyball. Volleyball. Repeat after me. Volleyball. What's this? Table tennis, right? Table tennis. Table tennis. What's this? Baseball. You're smart. Baseball. Good job. What's this? Basket. They'll say basket. Basketball. Everybody say basketball. Good. What's this? They'll say it in katakana English. Tennis. Say this. Tennis. Tennis. Repeat after me. Tennis. Good job. What's this? Judo. Yes, judo. Excellent. What's this? They'll say soccer. That's katakana English. Say soccer. Soccer. Repeat after me. Soccer. Soccer. Excellent. And what's this? Dodgeball. Yes, dodgeball. Excellent. Okay. Go over these cards every week. Spread these cards out on the floor or on the table. Get them to point to a sport, or you can play karuta. Then you can ask some questions like, what is your favorite sport? Or do you like, for example, volleyball? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Or can you play baseball? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. It's your choice. All right? That is sports. And the last set of cards are action words. Now these action words come with bingo, but since we're doing the lesson online, we can't play bingo. Not yet. I'll bring up these cards. I have hit, buy, win, take a picture, put on, get hurt. Sorry about the glare. Ask, cut, lose, need, spill, think, wash, want, and hold. By the way, I got these cards from MES English. So when you're doing action words, introduce it like this. We are going to do action words. Mani suru kotoba, okay? Actions. What's this action? Hit. Okay? What's this action? Buy. Not this buy, okay? Buy is kao. Buy candy. Candy o kao. Buy ice cream. Buy you. Oh, let's pretend this person's name is you. Buy you. You o kao. And it's funny. Good. Win. Yes, katta. Excellent. Take a picture. Take a picture. 写真撮って. Put on. Tsukeru. Put on a coat. Put on a hat. Get hurt or hurt. 気がする. Okay? Get hurt. Ouch. Ask. 質問聞く. Kiku. What's your name? What time is it? Okay? That's ask. Cut. Okay? You know cut. And this is lose. Lose. Makita. So, rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Lose. I lost. Okay, lose. Makita. Need. Need is hitsuyo. The robot needs a foot. Ashi ga hitsuyo. Ashi nakattara komaru. So, the robot needs a foot. That's need. I need food. I need money. Okay, never mind. And spill. Spill is kobosu or koboreru. Oh no, spill coffee! Ah! Okay, they're not laughing. Next is think. think, 考える. Today is Friday. Yeah. Wash. Yes. 洗う. Excellent. This is want. Want is 欲しい. The rabbit wants a carrot. Okay? The rabbit wants a carrot. Want is 欲しい. I want pizza. I want a car. And this is hold. Hold is 持つ. See, the woman is holding a cat. Hold the cat. Hold. Hold. Alright, so hold. So go over these cards with them. Make sure that they understand these words inside and out. And so I use a little Japanese in my lessons so they can understand the actual meaning of each of these English words in Japanese. Okay, then get them to pantomime. So just call out randomly without showing the card. If they have a problem with the action word, show it to them and get them to pantomime it. So for example, everyone stand up. We are going to do actions. So let's say they stand up. Okay. Hit. Show me hit. Okay, like that. Hit. Yes. Hit. Okay. Buy. Buy. What's buy? No, not this. Buy candy. Yes. Get some coins. Buy some candy. Yeah, like that. Good. Win. Yay! Good. Take a picture. Take a picture of James. Take a picture. Yes, that's right. Take a picture. Like that. Excellent. So once they're comfortable with these actions, go over these action cards and get them to pantomime and test them. And that's the way I would teach this lesson. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Good luck, everyone, and stay safe. Bye.